I'm honored to win this award. Oftentimes in life, we approach things from the aspect of it's part of our personal mission, it's part of our goal. We look at it as just work in some regards, but we look at the work that we are tending to and what the outcomes are. And to know that my outcomes have been recognized by my peers is tremendous. I never got into this job, let alone this profession, expecting to be honored for it. But the greatest honor that you can receive is from those of your peers and to be recognized by those that you help in this discipline where we teach from the multiple aspects of teaching from students to residents to fellows and fellow colleagues. This is a tremendous honor, and I'm so blessed to receive it and so honored to be honored by my organization, Med-Peds Program Directors Association. I am pleased to say that the endeavors in my work have truly been recognized by my institution um, in many ways, in many more ways than I can imagine. We've grown and helped grow the field of Med-Peds by the number of students who have gone into Med-Peds. We've grown institutional-wise as far as a section and department of Med-Peds here at Wayne State. I've been able to put together a collegial group of outstanding educational physicians who are now highlighting and involved in the transitions of medicine that we're seeing that we're facing right now in areas of social justice and equity, in areas of DEI, specifically in the areas of leadership and even program leadership and development. I've been able to help those who planted their own seeds of development and growth to aspire to grow into their own professions and to see people mature and aspire and achieve their goal and help them as the master planner, if you will. I'm truly honored. I'm also honored that the respect that I've received for what I've done has been tremendous, and I am so grateful for the opportunity just to be a program director. Not everybody wants to be it, not everybody can be it, but to be a program director in the amount of time that I was, 20 plus years, it does take its wear and tear, but I am pleased with what I've done. I'll leave you with two thoughts. One will be a old energy thought, and one will be a green energy thought. As residents enter into the program, I look at them as a piece of coal. And just like a piece of coal, with the right environment, with the right pressure, they turn into the diamonds that they should be. And I've been blessed to help aspire and train many diamonds, be it from the student point of view or the resident point of view. In this area of green, I've taken a little trickle of wind, and that wind has grown into a force. And a force then is able to turn the turbines that then cause energy to be produced from the solar energy that we need in today's environment. So either way you look at it, I've been blessed. And I'm blessed to have been part of the educational stalwart and growth of those residents and students who have gone into Med-Peds. Some of them have served as APDs, PDs, and some are just outstanding residents. And so to be a part of that process and to be recognized by this organization and to be allowed to do this in the confines of my institution is a tremendous, tremendous honor, and I'm very humbled. There are so many people I would like to thank, but I would like to think and go back to my first inspiration and guidance from elementary and high school for Miss Helen Felton, who was my sixth grade teacher, who told me to not only just give, but give more of myself and not to settle for just average, but always give above average. Second, I would like to thank my high school whose motto is a man for others, that we give for others and not for ourselves. And then on the Med-Peds track, I would like to say thank you for those who allowed me the opportunity to go into medical school for Wayne State University, allowed me to be a medical student and to aspire and use my talents to the best of my ability. I would like to thank the Department of Internal Medicine and the multiple chairs from Dr. Tranquita to Dr. Flack to Dr. Botter. The list goes on. The many chairs that we've had in the Department of Medicine who have allowed me. Same thing applies to the Department of Pediatrics from Dr. Gruskin to Dr. Stanton, to each individual teacher who taught me and helped develop my mindset and to push for me. And I'd like to lastly just say thank you to my residents who have molded me and made me the person that I am. They've taught me so much, just like patients teach us. I listen and I grow. I hear and I obeyed. Um, and I seek and I will find. And those things I try to give to them, and they've given back to me. And so I would not be here without them. And lastly, patience. My patients have challenged me, but they have allowed me to look at what I can do. They've allowed me to ask the what question as we move forward in medicine, the coaching. Um, and they've allowed me not to give up on finding an answer. And even when the answer is not there, continuing asking that question is important. So I'd like to thank all those individuals. And then, of course, my family, my son and daughter who have seen me grow, my grandson who is going to be hopefully motivated by this, and my father and mother who gave me the opportunity to be on this earth. Um, I am totally blessed. Thank you.